So we just got this toilet installed last week, and see, I still have the sticker on it. I haven't gotten to the sticky remover stuff, but they had a little bit of trouble installing it right there. You can see, you can't see where the holes on the toilet will fit onto the bolt, so they had to use a mirror behind it to make sure they got both of those on right. And then, but I wanted to show you how easy it is to clean when you have a little boy that misses the toilet. I'm going to do this one-handed. Just pop this off, then you pull up. The only thing is I wish, I'm concerned about these little bolts right here, that they are plastic. They seem to be fairly strong though, but I just got through cleaning it. And then you just pop this right back on. It's got a slow close lid. My only thing of complaint of, to make it easier to clean, would be these things. I wish this was all solid and not the hollow with the things that are sitting on it. Because, again, a little boy peeing, it makes it hard to clean around here, harder to clean. That would be all my only complaint about this toilet. Otherwise, I love it.